Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset Dreame Mova E20. To factory reset it, press and hold on the power and home buttons at once for over 10 seconds. Also make sure that your robot is plugged into power. So let's do it.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Even if it says about the network configuration, still keep holding for 7 more seconds. And when you're sure it's been over 10 seconds, then you can release it, and if the lights are not blinking, then you're good to go. You can just lift your robot up after 5 more seconds of having the buttons released. The light should start briefing, and now you can put the robot on the charging base, and it should play this sound.
Robot has been activated. Start charging.
And when it says it's been activated, that means that everything went right and it's factory reset. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.